Hello and welcome to Mann's Model Moments. So week 2, day 2, you can see we have stripped all of this floor tile garbage up. Piles of those ready to go to the recycling centre. I've got rid of all of the fluorescent tubes that were here. That really nasty air conditioning stroke air filter unit. A few more kits in. These storage heaters. There's Pablo trying to figure out his little food toy in the background, scrabbling there. So all these floor tiles need to go up. This cardboard all needs to go. I need to sort these bags out because they contain all kinds of different bits, so I just need to make sure that they are properly sorted out so we can get them to the recycling centre in the proper pieces. These are all boxes that I will put up in the loft for possible future postage. I've moved all of the wood and boards that I'll be looking at potentially making shelving out of over here. That is what Pablo is scrabbling and scraping at, his little food toy. So it's coming on. So the next step is to finish painting all of the skirtings here, getting a first coat on those, getting a second coat on, cleaning the walls. So just to give you an idea, I have actually cleaned some of this just with this little thing. Just have a look at this. That is how much is just particulate. So this isn't the staining stuff, this is just the surface. Look at that. All the rest of this is staining, but there is an enormous amount of, look at that. You just see like a windscreen wiper. Just the particulates. So I did a bit of that. I should give it a bit of a once over. I am not going to be too particular. Look at all the stuff on the ceiling here. That's pretty bad. Now I'm not going to be too particular about cleaning these walls methodically, because on the 8th and the 9th I have a painter coming in to do all of the walls and the ceiling. So until that date I have to do all this patch snagging just to smooth the walls over so they've got a decent surface, sort out these electrics, get rid of any excess things like the old smoke detector. Just get it so that they can work on a blank canvas. All these LED lights actually clip onto fittings on the ceiling, so those aren't an issue. So once the electrics actually just come down from above them into here, so there's just a single wire, it'll be very easy for them to just unclip those, paint all through. They're only going to paint up to here. Not going to worry about the office too much. This is the space that really needs to be sorted first. I can do the office piece at my leisure. Okay, so I've managed to clean this window a little bit. This is obviously not how it will end up, but if you can remember, this was utterly black with black mould. There's still obviously some, but I just wanted to get this clean enough so I can put the display cabinet here to get that out of the way. So, some progress. This will all obviously be painted, give it a fresh coat of paint, but that will happen after the rest of the room is painted. Hopefully you can see we're a little bit clearer than we were previously. So I actually taken down one of the lights there to get that electricity sorted. You can see I painted all of the skirting boards again, so they're a lot cleaner. The floor is actually all swept and hoovered, so a lot of all this crap has been cleared away. We have a few coats of the orange on the door. Display cabinet is actually in that window. All of these holes have been filled. They all just need sanding. Just going to fill those ones up above there. But the end of week 2, quite a bit on.
Speaking of airfix, if you want to win the collector's coin commemorating Flight Lieutenant Alan Pollock's protest by flying Hawker Hunter XF442 through the span of Tower Bridge on April 4th, 1968, then you can enter my free draw for that. Details are in my video unboxing of the kit bookmarked above. Alternatively, you can join my YouTube channel as a member or sign up to my Patreon to be automatically entered into this and other draws with multiple tickets and so a higher chance to win, plus have access to my personal Discord channel and other perks. As I'm mentioning that, let me give my heartfelt thanks to all of those wonderful channel members and Patreon subscribers for helping me to make these videos. That's all for this instalment of Mann's Model Moments. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more like it, and share this video with others you think would also enjoy it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and if you're feeling generous, then I also have a Patreon, which is absolutely the best way of helping me to grow the channel and produce more content like this. With that, I hope you have plenty of modelling moments of your own, and I look forward to welcoming you on the next video.